Change the vibe, change the theme, and transfer your Telegram chats in just a few taps. But first, don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to change the color theme on Telegram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Telegram on your device. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Select Settings from the list. Scroll down and tap on the Chat settings. This is your gateway to personalized Telegram experience. Tap Themes under the Chat settings. Here's where the fun begins. Browse to the various themes like day, night, or even special custom themes. Tap on any theme to see a quick preview and get a feel for the vibe. Found a theme that suits your style? Select it, and just like that you have transferred your Telegram theme. So this is how to change the color theme on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.